.NET Core Architecture, Introduction to .NET Core. .NET Core, now unified as .NET, is a modern, open-source, cross-platform framework from Microsoft. It allows developers to build high-performance web, desktop, cloud, and microservice applications that run on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and containers. Its architecture is layered, where each layer has a specific role and works together to run an application efficiently. Operating system layer: Windows, Linux, Mac OS, containers. This is the base layer where the application runs. Provides access to hardware, memory, files, and networking. Enables cross-platform execution. Supports Docker and cloud environments. Importance: the same .NET application can run on different operating systems without code changes. .NET Core host and infrastructure. CLI and Roslyn. This layer manages application startup and compilation. .NET CLI, used to create, build, run, and publish apps. Common commands: .NET New, .NET Build, .NET Run. Roslyn Compiler compiles C#, F#, or VB code into intermediate language. EEL provides IntelliSense, diagnostics, and code analysis. Importance: controls how applications are built and launched. Base Class Libraries, BCL, the core library of reusable components, includes collections, list, dictionary, file and network operations, link, threading, security, exception handling. Importance: saves development time by providing ready-to-use functionality. Application frameworks: ASP.NET Core, EF Core, WPF, WinForms. This layer defines application type and behavior. ASP.NET Core, Web Apps, APIs, Microservices. EF Core, simplified database access using ORM. WPF, WinForms, desktop applications. Importance: helps developers focus on business logic instead of infrastructure. .NET Core Runtime, CLR, JIT, garbage collector. This is the execution engine. CLR manages code execution, threads, and security. JIT Compiler converts EEL into machine code at runtime. Garbage collector automatically manages memory. Importance: ensures performance, stability, and memory safety. Application code layer: C#, F#, VB. This is where developers write business logic, controllers and services, UI and API code. The code uses frameworks and BCL, is compiled to EEL, and executed by the runtime. Execution flow summary: developer writes code, CLI builds the project, Roslyn compiles code to EEL, CLR loads the app, JIT generates native code, GC manages memory, OS executes the process. Conclusion: .NET Core architecture is modular, efficient, and cross-platform. Its